Hello and happy new year. I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your year. Today is one of those days where you're basically resetting everything and getting ready for the new year. I need to do some cleaning, some organizing, and I'm just like trying to get it all done. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let me take you through what we need to do today. First things first, I need to get some organizing done. So I need to organize my new planner for 2023. I picked up this one. I always use Happy Planner, so I just picked up another Happy Planner for this year. I also need to start meal planning, so I'll show you what I got to prep for that. And then we also need to clean, you guys. Literally need to clean. So I'll take you guys along with me through my day. Oh, and I'm also filming like a gardening video, and one portion of that video is cleaning out the garage with my potting shed. So I need to do that as well, but I'll leave those clips in that gardening video, which will be coming up after this one. So a lot to do. Let's get started. Okay, first things first is my planner. And this is the 12-month Happy Planner. I always use Happy Planner. I've been using it for years and years and years. But this is what the cover looks like, and it has metal discs. So what I love about this planner is that it is a dashboard style. So on one side you have the weekly section with just like little lines you can fill in, like checklist, to-do list, whatever you need. And then on this side it's like a dashboard. So it's like your weekly to-dos, calls, important like stuff, so you can organize it and kind of make it more of like a worksheet rather than just a planner with the dates. You can like purchase stickers to put in your planner. These mainly fit the classic vertical, but I use them however I want. And this big one is massive, and I got it for $20, and there's so many stickers in here. Okay, everything is planned out for the week. I really like the spread. I think it's really simple and minimal and just a little bit of decor. So here I have like all of my main tasks and errands and stuff like that. And then I just kind of like block out things I need to do by the day. So this will be filled up as like the day and the week goes on. But here is what I have so far. And yeah. Okay, next thing we need to do is we need to meal plan. And one of my goals for this year is kind of like resetting how we are consuming food. One thing that I noticed I was doing is I was using random notebooks in order to kind of meal plan for the week. And it was my personal notebook, so it was always up here in the office, but I wanted something that was more communal for Quentin and I. And I found this thing off Amazon. It is so awesome. So it's a menu planner. On the left side, it's like the days of the week, and you can put what we're going to eat. And then on the right side is a shopping list, but it's perforated, and it also has magnets, so we can put this on the refrigerator. From the cookbook and what was on sale, I am planning to do some chicken salsa verde enchiladas, leftovers on Tuesday, and then we'll probably have enough chicken to do like leftover chicken salads on Wednesday. Thursday, a tangerine beef stir fry. Hopefully we have enough leftovers so we can have that on Friday. Saturday night, eat out, and then Sunday night we are going to my mom's house for Christmas dinner. And then all of the shopping like items are on here, so when we place this on the board, all we have to do is peel this off and we are good to go. That was so easy. Now we need to do some cleaning, and I'm gonna start cleaning and organizing the garage for the garden video that I'm filming, so that way that is all done. It's pretty warm outside and sunny, and it's about to get dark soon. It's 66 degrees, so this is like the perfect time. I think this is going to be like the warmest all week. Yeah, so I'm gonna go out there and get that cleaned up. on this gorgeous day. And then tomorrow we'll probably follow up with the rest of the things on our list: cleaning, grocery store run, and I think that's it. I think that is it. Oh yeah, and then taking down the Christmas decor, which I actually might do some of that if I finish the garage. So I might do that today, but we still have so much to do. We have moved upstairs. It is time to fold some laundry. The kitchen is nice and clean. Our groceries have been ordered, put away. I'll show you guys what we got later today, because I'm gonna go make either enchiladas or the stir fry that I was telling you guys about. Probably switch up the days actually and make the stir fry. I don't know, something just sounds so comforting about rice tonight, so we'll probably switch it up and make the beef stir fry. But since everything downstairs is nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and do my laundry. I cleaned the towels a couple of days ago actually, so I need to fold them, put them away, and then while I'm doing that, I have a load in the washer, so I need to flip that. And then while I'm in that like waiting period, I'm gonna go and clean the bathroom. The shower is pretty grimy and it needs to be clean, so going ahead and doing that. Quinn vacuumed all the floors, so all I need to do in the bedroom is just wipe down my end table and we should be good to go.